Could a single attachment truly transform your home gym, unlocking a whole new level of strength training? We've been putting the SELEWARE Y-shaped dip bar through its paces, and the answer might just surprise you. When you first get your hands on this, the quality is immediately apparent. We're talking heavy-duty steel, finished with a sleek black powder coat that doesn't just look good, but promises serious rust resistance. And with a 500-pound weight capacity, it feels incredibly solid, ready to handle even the most intense workouts for years to come. It's reassuring to know your equipment can keep up with your ambition. Now compatibility is key, right? This Y-shaped dip bar is designed to play nice with most 2x2 power racks that have either 5/8-inch or 1-inch holes. A quick measure of your rack's width and hole size before ordering is a smart move, ensuring it's a perfect fit for your setup. Nobody wants the frustration of gear that doesn't quite match. Let's talk comfort. The 1.5-inch diameter handles are wrapped in these soft, rubberized NBR mitts. It's a small detail, but it makes a huge difference, providing a secure, non-slip grip that really protects your hands from those dreaded calluses and blisters during those longer, more intense sets. Nobody wants to cut a workout short because their hands are screaming. What really impressed us was the triangular support structure. It's not just a fancy design. It actively resists deformation, giving you incredibly firm and secure support. You feel completely stable, allowing you to focus purely on your form and muscle engagement, not worrying about any wobble or instability. That peace of mind is invaluable. Installation is a breeze. Seriously, you just slide it into your power cage, pop in the included safety pin, and you're good to go. The adjustable height and position mean you can customize it perfectly for your body and the specific exercise you're doing, making every workout comfortable and effective. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, this dip bar is a fantastic tool for building serious upper body strength. It hits your chest, triceps, shoulders, and even your back muscles, helping to improve your posture and overall athletic performance. It's amazing how much you can achieve with such a straightforward piece of equipment. And if you're on the fence, SELEWARE offers a 30-day satisfaction guarantee. That kind of confidence in their product is always reassuring. Overall, the SELEWARE Y-shaped dip bar is a robust, well-designed, and incredibly effective addition to any home gym. It delivers on its promises of durability, comfort, and stability, making it an excellent investment for anyone serious about their strength training.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.